In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily mute an account on Threads. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Threads. And then we can go to someone's profile which we would like to mute. Let it be that one. Let's say that guy keeps bothering me with their notifications with a ton of different messages, and I can just mute it. So to mute the account, from their profile, tap at three dots and then select mute. That will mute all the notifications from that account. And now let me show you how we can easily find all our muted accounts to quickly unmute them. To do that, go to your profile, tap at globe, select muted, and that will show you all the accounts you have muted. If you want to unmute someone, tap at unmute. That's how you can easily mute and unmute accounts on Threads.